I'm so excited to be right here with Miss Karen. Listen, Karen is a filmmaker, right? But she was an actress first, and she's going to tell you a little bit about the journey to casually not dating.
Okay, so acting in films has been a lifelong dream of mine. So I was very shy when I was younger, and when my mom passed away in 2012, I decided I was going to make a list. And there's things in life I wanted to do, including being in films. So I finally got on the nerve to go on my first audition for a film they were filming locally in St. Louis in Jefferson County, where I live at, called, well, it ended up being called somewhere between Festus and Arnold, but that was but it wasn't that to begin with. So I auditioned for them September 2014. I knocked it off my list. I said I did it. I didn't hear back, but then I did hear back from them in February 2015, and they're like, "We have a part for you. It's a little part. Would you be interested?" I'm like, "Oh yes." So I did that, and that was with Dan Stedman. And then I was like, "Oh wow, I had so much fun. I wonder if I could do this even more." So I started working crew. I was being an extra, other little small parts in films.
That's all right.
So I started doing all that, and then I got hooked up with Bug Juice Productions, and my husband kind of came along the way with me. So we've been doing things with Bug Juice. He was working crew. He did a little bit of acting, but he likes to stay behind the camera. So they really encouraged me along the way that I can do any role pretty much that's given to me, which I think I can too.
Wow.
So I was like, I'm going to get back into writing again. So we have another little group that's branched off of Bug Juice called Poison Ivy League. So I was acting in their sketches. I started writing little sketches to see how they would go. Had a lot of positive feedback from people about my sketches, so I'm like, okay, it's time to make a film. So I wrote a little script, and it was a romantic comedy. It was kind of helping a friend get back into acting. So I assembled people I've worked with before, my actors, actresses, got everybody together, got my crew, everything, and my husband, he did sound. We got it filmed last summer, got it edited, started putting it in film festivals in the fall. So the M.O.A.M is the sixth festival we've been in. But this is the first St. Louis premiere, so that's what's exciting.
St. Louis premiere. And did you hear what she said? We got to back up.
First.
She had her partner, her husband, works with her. Do you understand what I'm saying? And that means something. She has a significant other that's not trying to share the spotlight, but he's making sure that she's getting the job done. And so that's amazing.
He's one of my biggest supporters, and I know other people are like, I wish my spouse or boyfriend or girlfriend did that, and so I feel lucky that he's a big supporter of mine. Yeah, and so we did the D&K films with this name, so now people are knowing who we are. We're getting the name out there more, and I mean, we've gotten a lot of positive feedback from the film that people have seen it. We showed it to our crew and cast, and a few family came to see it, see what they thought, and they were just like, "Oh my God, I loved it." So I'm like, okay, we were so happy.
Tell us what we can expect to see in Casually Not Dating.
Well, it's a romantic comedy. I don't want to give anything away, but it's a different kind of part that I've never played. But I wanted to do this part, and it's about a woman. My character is filed for divorce. The divorce is about final. I'm out on a date. I see my soon-to-be ex-husband at the same restaurant. He's happy, and that doesn't sit well with my character, so it's a little romantic comedy.
Wait, Casually Not Dating? Honey, well, Miss Karen, let everybody know where they can find you on social media.
Well, I have an acting page, Karen Druley, actress. I've also done a little modeling, so I have that on there. I've not done so much with that, but I'm more in the films, but it's been also in the modeling. We also have a D&K Films Facebook page. And I mean, I'm on Instagram, but I'm still trying to get that going. K_Druley.
So we're going to work on it.
Yeah, I got to get working on that.
You and I need to just blow
I'm on there, but yeah, I need more followers on there. I'm still trying to figure the Instagram out. But I've done better luck with Facebook, so I've stayed on there mostly.
Something, guys, let's talk about that just briefly. Understand that a lot of times we are on certain platforms, and because that's the platform that caters more to our demographic, we settle there. But caution yourselves to make sure that you are spending equal time posting and sharing content to the other so we can grab some other folks and bring them over. You need to check out Miss Karen Druley because
Yes.
she is smoking.
Thank you. I know I tried TikTok, but I just haven't gotten anywhere. I know.
Tell me about it.
Yeah, I'm Care Bear 1776 on there, but I just haven't gotten anywhere. I haven't gotten anywhere. I'm like, I posted acting stuff, and I'm just like, oh, okay, and I've got a lot more stuff that I'm working on. We got another film we're working on. I'm also part of a show called 13 Darkness, so I've been getting that rolling with them, and so I got a lot more films.
So you're
and things.
really actively writing and working.
Oh yeah. I'm actually moved into new markets. I did some commercials in Kansas City area, and I did Kansas City, Kansas. We did a taste test, which has like over 111,000 views last time I looked on YouTube. So I was like, oh my God, it's more than our films get they've seen. And I'm working in Indiana too in a horror film called First Harvest. So I got to go back and finish filming that. So yeah, a lot of neat stuff this year.
Karen Druley is
Yes.
going all the way up.
Yes.
Tap in, tap in, tap in. It's your girl Lily Mae, and we're signing out.
Thank you.